Okay, we're back on the record in cause number 328216, the state of Texas versus Jen Carlos and Ardwine. Mr. Ardwine has previously been sworn in. Mr. Ardwine, the information alleges that on or about September 19 of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Ardwine, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yeah,
And to this charge, Mr. Ardwine, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
guilty,
Now, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
voluntary.
And are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yeah,
Okay, Mr. Ardwine, I have before me what has been marked as State's Exhibit number 1. On page 2 of State's Exhibit number 1, there are some initials on the line that says guilty. Are those your initials? Mr. Ardwine, on page 2, there are some initials on page, there are some initials on page 2 on the line that says guilty. Are those your initials?
yeah,
Okay, Mr. Ardwine, are you all right?
yeah,
Okay, because I was looking at your eyes. Now, Mr. Ardwine, on page 3 of State's Exhibit number 2, excuse me, on State's Exhibit number 1, there's a signature that purports to be your signature. Is that your signature?
yeah,
And on the next document, which is titled the Trial Court Certification of the Defendant's Right of Appeal, there's a signature on the line that says defendant. Is that your signature?
yeah,
And there are 2 boxes that's checked off on the top of this document. The first box states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that? Mr. Ardwine. Okay, let me do this here. We're gonna take a recess.